So, Brentford 1, Arsenal 3. A hard-fought victory in the end. Second half, we dominated. After the third goal, it was game over. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More, link in the title. Jez, Happy New Year. First game of the season, first game of the year. And we got a win. And after half an hour, mate, oh dear. It was almost like we were still in 2024, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. I wasn't really expecting Brentford to start like that, I won't lie. Caught us cold. Good goal. Raya then looked a little bit shaky for a couple of 5 minutes and nearly let another one in. Got lucky. But then fair play, Partey, who knew, put him in midfield, who knew, yeah, banging shot on goal. Keeper done well, Flecken done well to save it. Jesus runs in, gets a little header, puts us back in the game. Martinelli's goal, I thought, was sublime, beautiful control, straight on his thigh, lets it drop on his right foot. Bosh! No keeper's saving that.
Great finish.
Good. And yeah, okay. It wasn't pretty. It wasn't what you'd call how can I put it? It wasn't sexy football, but it's 3 points. We move on. I said to you when I put in the group chat last night, Happy New Year to all. And here we go again. And
yeah.
That was a piss take comment, by the way. But yeah, 3 points. We move on. Brighton away at the weekend. That won't be as easy. I'm bloody certain of that one. And I've seen a lot of debates and chats from people about the Man United, what's going on there. We've got them in the FA Cup. I see people, Lee, we're going to roast them. Mate, it's Arsenal, Man United. You know, it's Arsenal. It's a cup tie. It's the FA Cup, third round. Yeah, don't put your money on it. Don't put your house on it, because at the end of the day, they're a wounded beast, and they're not going to be happy. Yeah, they are shit right now. I won't deny it. But hey, we're not exactly ripping up trees, are we?
No, and our club captain, by the way. Yeah. Oh dear, God. Yeah, that guy stinks, mate. I don't know how he still gets a game, let alone captain.
Shocking.
Yeah, Jez, he had at one point 13 touches and then passed it backwards.
Yeah, terrible.
Skip, touch, and then passed it backwards. And I'm like, bruv, what are you doing? Yeah, Calafiori, another liability. Yeah, I'd take Zinchenko at left back over him in a heartbeat. Yeah, and I don't rate Zinchenko. Yeah, Mikel Marino. Excuse me. I know he got a goal.
Saturday on the week 4th at the weekend. We haven't got Timber. He's banned because he's got.
Yeah, but this is, and I'm glad you brought that up because I was going to ask you this. Yeah, Ola was fuming. He goes, "Why is Partey still on the pitch? We're 3-1 up. Get him off. He's going to have to play right back against Brighton." Yeah, but we left him on for the whole game. And then we bring Jorginho on, yeah, with 3-4 minutes to go, and Partey's still on the pitch. Like, how have you finished the game? You're going to be at right back next week, mate. Yeah.
This is where the frailties of Arteta football comes to show. Right? You know, as the manager, or if you don't, not even as a manager knows, somebody sat behind you, AirPod Albert, or God knows somebody else is going to say, by the way, boss, we've lost him for the game against Brighton.
Yeah.
He's banned. We need to change it here now, because we need to think about this, about what we're going to do for the upcoming game away at Brighton. Not an easy day out. So maybe we need to think about changing him up for somebody else. But no, we don't do that, because we know this arrogant piece of shit in Arteta will do what he wants to do, doesn't think about it. Yeah, doesn't think about, oh, I've got to change the tactics here. No, you'll continue to play the player, right? Okay, that's your gameplay. That just shows how shit you are as a manager. Yes, we won 3-1. People are going to sit here and say, oh, you two are negative. You two are negative. No, we're realists, because we've been there, seen it and done it, right? So at the end of the day, this manager has now put pressure on Partey because he had a great game. My man of the match, if you want to ask me
Yeah,
that.
same. Yeah, I agree.
My
I
man,
thought him and Timber was superb today.
yeah, stupid thing to do, but it happens under pressure. Yeah, it happens. He's young, he'll learn. But at the end of the day, we now put ourselves on the back foot, going away to Brighton at the weekend, and this manager can't see that you, me, Kenny, Ola, Matty, Neftali, so many, and I could name probably 300 people in your chat have seen the same light, but this manager can't see it. You could have mixed that up today, right? Come to 75 minutes, you could say, right, I'm looking at you, go and sit down, get ready for the weekend. I don't need you injured. I don't want you to get a knock or anything like that, because I need you big time, right? No, he don't do that.
Nope.
Shocking.
Yeah, and this is the thing as well. Yeah, it's like we've said this for years. His in-game management stinks. Yeah, if we had conceded another goal, yeah, and it went 3-2, yeah, he would have thrown on a load of defenders.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if we're losing 2-1, he'll just throw on the attackers. Yeah, that's his whole game plan. Yeah, we're losing, just throw everybody on and just go 100 miles an hour. If we're trying to shut, I'll just throw on defenders. And it's like, why bring Jorginho on with 3 minutes to go? Like, you should have brought him on 25 minutes earlier, mate. As soon as we got that third goal, game done, shut up shop. Bored the shit out of us for the last half hour. Yeah, get the job done, preserve energy, keep Timber on because he can't play at the weekend. Yeah, take Thomas Partey off. Yeah, get Jorginho on. Yeah, instead he hooks the captain. Yeah, he should have been hooked as well. He's shit. Yeah, however, the captain is going to play at the weekend in his position again. And Thomas Partey is going to be doing up and down the touchline at right back. It's like the whole game management thing stinks. Yeah, like, where was Havertz today? 29, I said his name. Yeah, where was he? Oh, he had a bug. He had a bug. What, you mean he had a heavy night last night?
Yeah, he had too many orange juices last night.
Too many Skittles.
Yeah. But the thing is, one thing I looked at that game today, right, was the goal that Brentford scored. There was one situation there, right? Odegaard, he pulled out of a tackle.
Yep.
He pulled out of a bloody tackle.
He's shit.
What man are you doing? You know, in that sort of game, right, where you want to put your foot on that team's neck as the captain, you put your life on the line. To actually say, and I just want to clarify one point here. I am not criticising the result. I know everybody's going to go, "Oh, yeah, because we won, we won." No, what I'm criticising is Arteta's in-game management, and I'm criticising certain players that haven't stepped up to the mark that they should step up to. Because if you're a captain of that team, and we've had great captains in our lifetime, yeah, that would pop themselves over the line and give it that extra 10% to make sure that sort of thing doesn't happen. He didn't do it today. And unfortunately, we've seen this so many times with this guy. One game in 10, right? He'll have a great game and he'll go,
yeah,
brilliant. Fantastic.
Jez, there was an instance in that first half, right? It was 1-1, right? And there was an instance in that first half, right, where he dropped the shoulder, yeah, and he could have got a shot off from 25, 30 yards out. Yeah. And I'm going, yo, our captain's on the ball. Whoa, he's dropped the shoulder. This got to be a shot. It took another touch and then passed an under-hit pass to the left back. I'm like, what are you doing, mate? Then it's round and round and round and round and round. It's like, mate, take the fucking shot. It either deflects and goes in, gets blocked. We get a corner from a worldy save. Yeah. Or, yeah, the keeper saves it and then striker follows up and scores. Instead, drops the shoulder, does all the hard work like that, takes an extra touch and pops an under-hit sideways pass. I'm like, this guy's shit, mate. It's shit.
That's a great point you just made, because if you look at our first equalising goal, right? Partey took the shot. Great bit of work, a little bit of sort of jiggery pokery amongst the Arsenal players in their 18 outside the box area. He took the shot on, Flecken, great parry, but didn't catch it. Jesus was on the shoulder of their defender, ran in because he was looking. The defender had to turn, couldn't make it. Bosh.
Yeah, and the striker's on his feet. The defender's going back that way. Yeah,
Yeah.
and this is the thing. Yeah, right. If you look at the Marino goal, right, I'm like Flecken had a nightmare with that. But if you watch that corner routine, yeah, I was like, why is Ethan taking corners? Yeah, the delivery weren't that great. Yeah, but you know what made that goalkeeper shit the bed? Thomas Partey started at the other side of the penalty box and just run straight across 4 yards out in a straight line from that side of the penalty box, just trotting along, jogging along, going for a little stroll. And there's like Kenny Ken walking down the fucking Hornsey Road.
Yeah.
Just run in a straight line as the ball comes in. That bamboozled the goalkeeper and the defense. Yeah. The keeper parries it. Bang, goal. Yeah. And it's like great corner routine. Yeah. Because we've mixed it up a little bit now. Yeah. And if you go back and watch that goal, that Marino goal, just watch Thomas Partey. Ethan's taking it this side. The other side, Thomas Partey is nowhere near. He just starts trotting. Yeah. 4 yards out in a straight line. Bamboozled everyone. Yeah, fantastic. Well done. We're cool for that. I like that.
It takes their players' eye off the ball. They're watching, they're thinking, where's he going?
Yeah, they're watching the ball, but then the goalkeeper's now watching the ball, trying to jockey with the players blocking him. And then he just sees Thomas Partey trot past him. He's like, fuck, shit. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Yeah, good finish from Marino. Yeah, but at the same time, fair play to Arteta and the team. Yeah, and like the set piece coach and that, because that's a good routine. Yeah, but you can only get away with doing that a couple of times, before people suss that shit and say, right, man, mark him. You know, same with the Gabriel one, where he's jockeying and he's scoring, Gabriel ain't scored for how long now? Yeah, so now we found another way, and I rate that. But at the same time, Jez, right, on another day, we don't win that game.
No.
We don't win that game, but we won the game, so cool, we're happy. But there was some shit shows out there today, awful. And now we go against Brighton. Yeah, I believe you're going to be at the game. Yeah, we're going to go against Brighton. Yeah, and it's like Brighton play good football. Yeah, I think we'll beat them, by the way. Yeah, but at the same time, we're going to have one eye on Newcastle, and we fucking better win that game, mate.
Oh, yes.
And we have to win that by 2, otherwise we're finished at their ground.
Yeah, mate, we'll get done and dusted up there. The interesting thing is that I was thinking about is that we've got some very interesting games coming up, right? You just mentioned it. Newcastle, Man United, FA Cup, my true love, the FA Cup, right? I just hope he doesn't disrespect it again. Bearing in mind, Lee, it's the only bloody trophy he's won.
Yeah.
So you'd think he'd actually show some respect and go, yeah, we're going for this one this year, boys. We're going for it.
Yeah, but Jez, we've said this for 4 years since he's won it, or 5 years since he's won it. Yeah, 3rd round, 4th round, 3rd round, 4th round since he won it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and we've got Man United. We should beat Man United. But again, if he puts a reserve team out, they'll probably do us. And we'll give them that boost and they'll go on a run after that.
It's the FA Cup, right? They're in a shit show situation. They've got nothing else to play for, right? So they're going to be right. Well, we've got Arsenal, FA Cup, 3rd round. We need this.
If they win it, they equal our FA Cups.
Oh, please don't say that.
They ain't winning shit. They're crap.
They need something to bolster their fan base because at the moment they're in a. I don't agree with this. People talking about they're going to get relegated. No, that ain't.
No, they ain't getting relegated.
That ain't going to happen. They could.
Would be funny though. But then just you've seen them get relegated.
I have 74. Yeah.
Yeah, and were they this bad back then?
Worse.
They were what? Worse now?
Yeah. No, they 74 team was terrible.
Okay, fair.
Awful.
But let's be real. If Everton's next 2 games are very difficult, Wolves' next 2 games are very difficult, right? But in 5 games from now, they genuinely could be in the bottom 3.
They could.
Yeah, and that is when fans will start waking up. Yeah, and if them Glazers, I don't care whether Jim Ratcliffe's got a share or not. Yeah, he's only got 17.6% of the actual total share because he bought 25% of the Glazers thing, right? So if they're actually in the bottom 3 and everyone's saying, oh, Jim Ratcliffe's got the sporting thing, he can do, he has football say, the Glazers do the corporate side. No. If they're in the bottom three, mate, that manager's sacked. And he should be sacked anyway for saying they're in a relegation battle. Yeah, how dare you? Yeah, that's Man United. You're saying I'm in a relegation battle. He should be sacked.
Ten Hag had won 2 trophies. Hello. Mad,
where's isn't it?
That mentality then?
Well, listen, Jay, shout your channel out, mate. What you got coming up, bro?
Probably Friday night. I think it's going to be the weekly footy chat. I'm not sure Kenny can do it tomorrow night. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Friday, man. Friday.
Yeah. Arsenal history and more. Link will be in the title. I'm going live now. Rashid's going to come on. I think Northside's jumping on. And if you're free, jump on. Yeah, if you're not, cool. Well, I know it's New Year's Day.
Give me half an hour, mate. I'm just going to have something to eat.
Yeah.
Send me the link and I'll jump in if I can.
Yeah, no worries if you can't. I'm not going to be live for long. Yeah, I need to go to sleep. Yeah, and I've been eating this pizza. I've had a kebab and a pizza delivered, yeah, and I've eaten like half the kebab and half the pizza, and I'm still starving, so I'm like munching it in between. But yeah, I ain't gonna be live for long. But no, I appreciate you, man, and Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Yeah, I love Cronky out.
Yeah, Cronky out.